Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Hot Lap at Faction Motorsports. It's a busy day here at the shop, got a lot of work going around. Got your daily drivers in here, got this swinging his thing around. Got a hearse here. What else we got? Hella wheels, tires. We do it all. We got no mercy reversey type cars here. This thing is getting revived. Somebody left a comment on the last hot lap and said, "Is that the G35 from the takeover in Queens this past weekend?" I wouldn't doubt it. Don't show his plate though. He might have some warrants. What else we got? What else going on? Club Blue Spring Moves was this past Sunday. Did anybody go? It was really rainy. Oh, Saturday, yeah. It was really rainy, so I don't think it was a good turnout. Rained all day. Literally the whole 24 hours. Not one dry spot. Final Bout Special Stage East is this Saturday. Who's going there? That is at, where, Summit? Summit, right? Yeah. Haven't been there in a minute. Ooh, tank tops and hoodies are here. Look at this. Come here. For all you ladies, or you men out there, I don't judge. We got a little tank top here. Thing is nice. I know we have some ladies asking about this. Very nice. Listen, if I had the figure, I would wear it. It has some good feel to it. Really, it's not too thick, but it's thick. Feels good. We also got our new shirts hung up in here, in the frames. Look at that tough luck. We call this a snap off. Last look. Even got the last look in a hoodie. This is a new hoodie that it's printed on. It's a more lightweight style, so it's kind of summer night friendly. That's why we chose this light one, because it's coming out in the early spring, summer, so can't give you a super heavy one for this season, but this is summer night friendly. Also, it is April. The giveaway for this month is a set of Stance coilovers XR1 baby. Every $5 spent on the website is one entry. If you buy some Stance shock covers or oversized water pump pulley, that's triple entries. So do that. What else we got going on? God damn. Oh, shit. I probably put a hole in the wall. Fuck. Every door has a different weight in this shop, so you always get confused. What else we got? What's burning? Is that outside? Is there a fire? Something must be on fire. I don't hear any sirens though. Huh. Make sure nothing's burning in here. Hold on, guys. Give us a minute. I think that's coming from outside. Yeah. Doesn't smell like that in here. Anyway, go watch the new LZ cinematic video Eddie just dropped. It's really more of a short film, right, Eddie? There's no really vlog style. It's just ASMR almost. No, not really. It's like those YouTube videos that are titled, "If you like drifting, watch this." Oh, there's the siren. Something's on fire. If you like drifting, watch this video. 3 hours of JDM drifting. That's what it's like, but with LZ. On the gauntlet. What do we got going on in here? We got Ken here. Say hello, Ken.
Hello.
Ken is in the dance studio. He's organizing what is soon to be the used parts area. Look at all this used stuff. We got flywheels, clutches. What else we got? Little radiators, exhaust manifolds. This is a lot of stuff, Ken.
It is.
This is a lot of money. Wait, we got trans cross members for 300ZX at 240 240. Got arms.
Gas tanks.
Gas tanks? Where? What the hell? It's probably... it's probably... What are those? S...
One is rusty, one is...
I would guess they're S13 gas tanks?
Yes.
Yeah. S14 gas tanks are discontinued. What else? What other used stuff we got in here? Got a whole crank. It's for SR, I assume. Subframe.
Oh, Pulsar GTIR SR20. That corner over there.
Pulsar GTIR SR20. So, all-wheel drive SR. Right? Those are all-wheel drive?
Yes.
Yeah, all-wheel drive. Who wants that? Somebody come pick this up. We don't got any use for it. All the used parts. Ooh, a little, looks like a little T25 right here.
Those are for the R33 Skyline.
Oh, R33 Skyline
Yeah,
parts.
so
Never mind then.
those.
ECU.
AC components.
AC components. Damn.
Frankie's old BN body kit.
You could really go shop, yeah. Old BN body kit. You could really go shopping in here.
We got doors for sale.
Doors, yeah. If anybody needs an industrial, no, this isn't really industrial.
Oh, it's heavy duty.
Oh, I mean it's heavy duty.
It's solid wood.
If anybody needs a door, we got a door here too. It has a metal frame. Come pick this up. We don't have a use for it. What else we got in this used parts? Got a diff.
Lower control arms.
Lower control. Yeah, I saw some other arms here. Look at these tension arms here.
Stock 240 S chassis calipers front and rear.
Damn.
We have some.
We're working on an eBay store very soon. We gotta organize all this and label it all.
OG ISR KA exhaust.
Damn, probably still says ISIS on it.
No.
Oh no, it's ISR. ISR. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. This is a hoarder's dream right here. What is that?
R33.
R33
Grady / Trust.
Oh, look at these little elbows.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, with a little divorce pipe, would you call that? I'd call it a divorce pipe. Actually, no, I don't know what I'm saying. Maybe. Maybe. Cool. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. It's nice to finally see this space getting a little clean. What else we got in here? Got my bike in here. Had a little accident. Don't ask any questions. What else? Let's see what we got here. Oh, we had our 200th episode on the podcast last week. Kind of just hung out, talked about conspiracy theories. Rob0itz says, feels good to have listened to 1 to 200. Damn, how time flies. That is crazy. 200 episodes and you listen to all of them? I wonder how many people have listened to all the episodes. Put down in the comments if you listened to them all. If you started at the beginning, you're a real one. Because that shit sounded like we were underwater. That shit was so bad. But yeah, 200 episodes is a lot. That's a lot of hours. Each episode is at least an hour and a half to 2.5 hours on average. Yeah, what else? Oh, this is the seat. We still got Thrash Racing seats in stock. Don't forget, we got one more Street Spec Alpha in that green. We have... What else we got? We got this Pro Spec Gamma in blue. Another green one. Empty box. Street Spec Alpha in black. And 2 Street Spec Alphas in red. And this is Pro Spec Gamma in black. Wait, right? Oh yeah, I didn't say that one yet. Okay, yeah. Yo, does anybody have some OEM mid-controls chrome from a early model Dyna? I don't like these TC Bros black ones. They're ugly. Let me know if somebody got them for the low. OEM Dyna, early model Dyna, mid controls, chrome. Need that. That's about it. That is about it. This week, we are releasing one more Texas Series podcast. His name is Colin. Go watch that. It's going to be out tomorrow around 6 p.m. on the Dizot. Yeah. But that's about it, boys. That's about it. Got a busy week ahead of us. It is only Tuesday. Got a lot of work. Like Jesus. Jesus has been cranking away. Yup. Look at this dirty ass car. Axle blue, it's all greasy. Hey, at least it keeps the rust away, eh? Sorta, kinda.
Engine's out.
What?
His engine's out.
Oh yeah, Chris took out his SR20 in his car. It's over by his box over here. That's why Sylvia's on the dollies over there. Look at this old thing. Time to finally get rid of that rod knock. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on. Yeah. Damn, this thing is greasy as hell. Why is it so greasy? Oily. Oh, it was leaking oil?
Yeah, over here. Yeah.
Timing cover. Come on, man. Well, hope he has fun with that one. Time to get your girl back. Fight for her.
What?
Fight for her love. You need her back.
Don't assume her pronouns. I don't know if I said her.
Her pronoun? Wow. How disrespectful. All right. Well, that's all, folks. It's a busy day here. So we got to get back to work. Be sure to order our new merch. We're already selling out of some designs. So for our Patreon folk, go vote which designs you want in the bundle. What else do I have to say? Like, comment, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, check again and subscribe. Hit that bell. Like it's Taco Bell. Dong. Ring my bell. All right, well, that's all, folks. We're all pretty exhausted. It's one of those days. Nothing on the back of this, right? Is there questions online? No. Yeah, well, Chris, you want to tell them anything while we're here? Help. Help. Was I twerking? What happened? What happened?
Blacked out.
I blacked out. See ya.
Just a reminder, we are giving away products every month over on FactionMotorsports.com. Every $5 spent gets you one entry. Faction Motorsports merch and products gets you double entries, and Brand of the Month products get you triple entries. For our raffle this month, we have partnered with Stance Suspension to give away a set of XR1 coilovers. When it comes to drifting, Stance Suspension sets the bar. From their entry-level XR1 coils all the way to their fully custom D1 spec coilovers, Stance has been leveling up drifters for over 20 years now. Stance has been supplying all of our favorite drivers for decades, drivers like Jimmy Oaks, Naoki Nakamura, and Julian Jacobs, to name a few. Their lineup has only grown over the last couple of years, and the trust we have in their product is unmatched. We have also been pushing the brand in our shop since the start. Stance is our first recommendation for any drifter looking for a new set of coilovers. If you are interested in purchasing Stance suspension products, make sure to visit our website, FactionMotorsports.com, and don't forget, every $5 spent gets you one entry to win a free set of coilovers this month only.